What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So if you want to customize skin for your Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, look no further. I worked with a company in the past called Toast. Toastmade.com is a company that makes customized real wood and leather skins for your devices. When I say customized, you can get all kinds of unique things done on the skin before you put it on the product. Now they do skins for phones, tablets, and all kinds of stuff in between. I will leave the product links down in the description below. But they sent me out my customized Galaxy Note 20 Ultra skin. And I'm gonna tell you, it's real wood, and I've been waiting on this. As far as shipping, they don't take too long to ship and everything, but we're gonna open it up and go through it, and I'm gonna install it on my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So you want to customize skin, all wood skin with customization to your liking. Look no further, because Toastmate.com is the place to go. Now on their website, you can get all kinds of good customized stuff here. They got the Galaxy Note 20 Ultras. I believe they got the Galaxy Note 20. They have handcraft wood and leather products to elevate you to the fullest, to make your device look different. Whether or not it's going to be laptops, MacBooks, PCs, or whatever, they can do it. They do customized work here. And as far as shipping and getting it done, it doesn't take that long. I believe I got this product within a week and a half. So they do it all. If you have an iPhone or a Galaxy phone or any kind of phone, just go on their website and customize your fully wood skin or leather skin for your device. And as you can see, they do a really good job if you want to make your device unique just for you. All right, so they sent me out my customized skin for my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This is the wood skin. Now I've done videos in the past for them, so I'm really excited to get my skin for my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. All right, so this is the packaging, and the packaging is really simple. It tells you real wood, genuine leather, seriously styled. On the back, it kind of give you wide toast and stuff like that. So they got a unique style. So let's open this up. All right. And I mean, they really have really good packaging here. All right. And again, they kind of show you how to do it. And it's really simple to do. It's not that hard to do. Here. All right. And they give you all the wet wipes and everything. And that's it. I mean, of course, they give you instructions on how to do it, okay? And I've done these in the past, so I pretty much know how to do these, but they give you instructions on how to do it. All right, so this is my customized skin. This is how I want it done. As you can see, I have the Tech Preacher here right on the back of the device. So basically what you want to do is you put it on the device and you kind of roll it to kind of stick it. So you got 3 of them stick here on the back. So let's go on and commence the installation. Let's go.
That's how I got that heat. Let's go.
All right, so it's all done. And as you can see, the installation really doesn't take that long to do, and it's not that hard to do. Now, one of the good things about this skin here is that you don't need a case. Actually, you can't even put a case on it because of the thickness, but it does protect your device. It does protect the camera array, and you don't have no problem with drops and falls. You'll be good to go. Now, I would recommend a glass screen protector or screen protector in the front, because when you use this skin, you cannot use any type of cases or anything like that. So just be advised that if you ever buy skin, a wood skin for your devices, just be advised that cases will not work. Now, I put it on really nice because I've done this in the past, and as you can see, it looks absolutely stunning. And I do got the Tech Preacher engraved right here, which is dope. I mean, really dope. So I really do like this skin for my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I've been waiting on this skin for for them to come out with a skin, and they came out with the skin for this device. So it's my pleasure to toast my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. But look at how beautiful this is. This is absolutely gorgeous. And look, don't worry about things coming off. You'll be fine. I even put the buttons on so it can all match together, and it looks absolutely stunning. And again, don't worry about if you drop it, whatever, because this is a hardwood skin that's on your device. So I've had these in the past, and I did not worry about dropping it because it would not crack the glass, because this is a hard skin here. So you don't worry about that. You should be fine. I will leave all product links down in the description below. This is Eric, the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Gorgeous. Look how beautiful that is. Absolutely stunning. All right. And it goes perfectly with my collection. That's what I'm talking about. Boom. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.